Hey, how are you doing today? And happy 2019. I can't believe we're already in a new year. It's crazy. This is my first video in a while. Took a little break there over Christmas and everything just because we were super busy and I was taking care of River and everything. But we had a really fun Christmas. My parents came into town, which was awesome. Today I have a sort of kind of homemaker vlog and everything, just some cleaning inspiration for you guys. And to start, I have a gigantic Grove order. See how big this box is. I had some credit on Grove and everything, so I just kind of went full out for this. But later in this video, we're also gonna just be doing some cleaning. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about this new cleaning routine I've been doing and loving. I've actually been doing it for a while now, but one of my New Year's goals is to kind of follow it more consistently. All right, so let's open up this box. Put these down so I don't cut myself. Oh boy, look inside there. First thing I got are these Squeeze Cellulose sponge cloths. One thing I like to do is I like to take cleaning cloths and just get them wet and wipe the counters down with them just to kind of quickly wipe them off, not necessarily clean them, but just to get like any crumbs and stuff like that off. Or same thing with my cabinets too. So I thought these would be really good because they're actually more like a spongy material, but they're just like the cloths. So I thought these would be really good to just reuse for that purpose. It says durable and reusable, reduces paper towel waste, tackles spills, dishes, and household cleaning. So those are kind of cool, and it comes with 3. And then I got some of these 7th generation disinfecting wipes. These are a household staple for us. We always have these. We have them all over the house, and the couple of bins that I have, or I ran out of one, and then I think we have 2 more bins that are almost gone, so I needed to get another one of these. And then this is a new thing I'm really excited to try. This is the Microfiber Duster. And then it has these little dust whisper things on it. It's kind of like the Swiffer dusters, which I do have one of those. But I really like the cloths on these. They feel like they will take even more dust. And I don't know, can you reuse these? You can wash them. So rather than throwing them away and having to buy more, you can wash these, which is perfect. I thought I actually got another one too, another head. Oh yeah, I did. So that way when this one's in the wash, I have an extra one too that I can have clean, so I can just switch these off. So they're really nice. And it has a wood and plastic handle, but it feels really good in my hand, and I like how big it is too. So I'm excited to try that out. And then I also got this cast iron brush and scraper. We do have a couple cast iron skillets that we actually use pretty much every single day. And they're always a little bit of a pain to clean. So I just wanted to try this because you get like stuff kind of stuck on the cast iron skillet. So this is like really tough. So it'll get all that gunk off and everything. And then this is another staple I always like to have on hand. This is the Grove hand sanitizer gel, and the scent is blood orange. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Rather than having that like alcohol-y smell that most hand sanitizers do, this one smells so good. But I always have one of these in the car. It just has a pump, so whenever we're out and about and we get back in the car, we just put this on our hands. They also have a little travel size one, and I always keep one of those in my diaper bag as well. They just released a new cleaning caddy. This is their matte white cleaning caddy. It just says Grove Collaborative on the front. Has the wood handle still, really cute. I got some more of their Walnut and Cellulose Scrubber Sponges, which is always a staple. Some of the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap. I love using that stuff to hand wash dishes. And then some of the Mrs. Meyer's hand soap, and this is a new scent I haven't tried before. It's Compassion Flower, and this scent is only available on Grove Collaborative, I believe. So it's like a collaboration that they did with Mrs. Meyer's. So I'm excited to try that out. And then I did order a mint Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose surface cleaner because that's my favorite cleaner for like everything. I use it on our countertops. I use it for dusting, just like pretty much anything. I can even use, like, I'll get the big concentrate versions of it and refill my bottles, and I'll even use it like on our kitchen floors and stuff. You can like use it for tons of stuff. But I got their mint scent, which I've never tried before. I think it was new last year. and they were out of it. So I have to wait till this next time I order to get more of it. So, or to order that scent. So I'm gonna wait for that. But I did wanna share this with you guys. Grove Collaborative is doing another awesome deal. And if you made any cleaning resolutions for this year, Grove Collaborative is the way to go, because you can get all your cleaning supplies shipped to your doorstep, and you can always add and remove stuff from your cart based off of your needs for each month, and you can change your ship dates if you want. If you don't need cleaning supplies as soon as every month, or if you need them quicker, you can always change the dates. They personally have my favorite products because I prefer more non-toxic products, and they're having an awesome deal now for the whole month of January. If you sign up as a new customer using my link in the description, you will get this free Grove Kitchen Caddy, the Mrs. Meyer dish soap, hand soap. You also get the multi-surface cleaner, which I don't have here, but you'll see it later on in the video because I'll use it. And then the Walnut Scrubber Sponges. So you get this whole set for free when you place a $20 or more order as a new customer. You'll get free shipping, a free trial of their VIP service. So that's a huge deal. It's over $30 worth of product for free. I love these little caddies too, because I can just take them along with me throughout the house with my little daily cleaning supplies and everything. So everything's in one place and it's easy to carry it with you throughout the house as you're doing your cleaning. I've been using Grove Collaborative for like a year and a half now. It's actually probably a little bit over a year and a half, and I signed up through one of these deals that they did, and I have been a customer ever since because I love their service. I just want to say thank you to any of you that do use my link in the description, because we do get a small commission off of that, so that just helps my family and I out. So thank you for using our link. And now that I showed you everything that we got from Grove Collaborative, now I'm gonna go ahead and do some cleaning. Whoa, it's River! You see yourself? All right, y'all, I'm in my living room. I wanted to share this with you. I don't think I've talked about this before. Where I've been getting all my cleaning schedules and stuff from is flylady.net. Oh my goodness, she is awesome, because she basically sends you daily tasks to do in your home, as well as things like you do each day throughout the week that are the same every week. And she splits up your house into different zones. So you're doing zone cleaning, like you're basically just spending 15 minutes a day cleaning your home, and you kind of just like end up organizing and cleaning your home as you go. And her whole thing is like, don't be a perfectionist, because perfectionism will stop you from getting your home clean, which is my struggle. I'm always like, okay, if I can't get all this done at once, then it's like I just kind of get defeated and my home just ends up getting worse. So if any of you struggle with that, check out Flylady. River's just having fun here in the carrier. But anyways, I'm just looking at the email. You can like sign up for emails and she'll send you like each day's cleaning. On Mondays, you do what's called the Bless Your Home tour. And it's basically like your weekly cleaning. So you spend 1 hour, kind of like power hour in a way. You just spend 1 hour and you split up these 7 different tasks within that hour. So I set a timer for 10 minutes for each task, and I just spend 10 minutes doing each of those. If I can't get it all done, that's okay. That's her whole point, is that you just set a timer and you spend a little bit of time doing each task, and whatever you don't finish, it's okay. You'll be able to do it next week or at some other point in the month or in the week. It just makes it really easy, especially with having a baby and everything. So if you have kids, or you've just always had trouble keeping your home organized and tidy and clean, I would definitely recommend it, because I have been doing this for a little bit. I haven't been completely consistent, but when I like do this every day, oh my gosh, I just feel so much better. Our home looks nicer and I don't feel stressed. So I really like doing this. But anyways, so I'm gonna be doing vacuuming, dusting, quick mop, polish mirrors and doors, change our sheets on our bed upstairs, and empty all the trash cans, which actually Bry usually does the trash for me, so I'm gonna ask him to do that. So technically I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items to do. And since I do like to spend a whole hour though, I'll spend the other 10 minutes just tidying. And yes, my Christmas stuff is still up, don't judge me.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down up on my feet. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory. You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. Yes, I'm the winner, yeah. 'Cause I'm the winner, yes. Am I awake or am I dreaming? So far gone, I won't look back. And when I move, there ain't no stopping me. You're pushing me up to the top. I saw the clouds looking angry, but then the sky reached my mind. And when I space out, I see the possibilities unfolding the way that I want. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory. You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You cut me loose. You make me win in every way. Win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. Yes, I'm the winner, yeah. 'Cause I'm the winner, yes. 'Cause I'm the winner, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh. Yes, I'm the winner, yeah.
River's back there just playing in his activity center. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and remember to go check out that Grove offer in the description below. What are you doing back there, silly? What are you doing? What are you doing? Whoa! If you've never checked out Grove before, this is the time to do it. So be sure to take advantage of that offer, and I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye!